You're welcome to Miller Farms. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best type of soil to be used for your snails. So there's a general rule of thumb that says that any soil that is good for cocoyam, that's maintaining in tree, is ideal for snails. The soil, which is good for snails. You take a look at this loose black soil, which is rich. So you can see it's not too compact, it's very loose. So you can use this type of snail for your hatchery as well. Because it's not too compact. So when the eggs hatch, they can come out from it easily. So I'll be showing you the treatment process very soon. So just follow up and let's go. So this is how you treat the soil. As you can see.
And any worms that is harmful to the snail, I pour this on it to kill all of them. So because I was the only one shooting the video, I'm the only one on site right now, so I'm the one pick them from the forest. I learned these snails are very tasty. Yes, it's in an egg. And this is the AA, Akachina.